Hey guys, this is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews, and we're back with another video for you today. And today we are going to take a look and unbox the Apple Watch Ultra 2 Black Titanium. So I have it here, and we are going to take a look at the specs as well as unbox this wonderful watch for you. But before we do that, if you could do me a favor, if you can like and subscribe this channel, specifically subscribe, that would be awesome. Share it. The link will be on the description of this product as well as the share button. We greatly appreciate it. And one thing else, we also noticed that a lot of you watch these videos that I put out there, and I work very hard to give you the hard-hitting reviews and details of each one of these products. And only 90% of you don't subscribe that watch my videos. If you can please subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. And I will have a ton more videos for you. And let me know if there's any products that you want me to review. And with that being said, let's get to it. So I decided as a Apple user, now I have the Apple 16 Pro Max, to get an Apple Watch. And I decided to get the latest and greatest, and this is somewhat the latest and greatest. This is the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in black titanium. Now, this is a little bit different from Apple's normal watches. They have the titanium version of it, but today we're just gonna go black titanium. And with all of my videos, let's go ahead and get the specs out the way. So this watch came out this year, around, I believe, September, when the iPhone 16 Pro Max was introduced at $799. And you can get this everywhere, including apple.com. I got mine from bestbuy.com, and pretty easy to pick up. And this watch weighs about 61 grams, or about 15 ounces. It is a sapphire crystal front, ceramic around the watch, a sapphire crystal back, and a titanium frame. It has eSIM capabilities. It is IP6X certified, which means that you can go 100 meters of water resistance, which is WR100, 40 meters swim-proof diving, and it has a ECG certified rating on it. And the display, which is the most important part, is a Retina display with an LTPO OLED 3000 nits of peak brightness. The size of it is a 49 millimeter watch, or 1.92 inches. And it has about 338 PPI density, so very nice. It has always on display. The platform on this is watchOS 10, and currently it has been upgraded to watch 11.1. Along with the new capabilities that will be coming with Apple Intelligence. And the chipset is the Apple S9, dual core, power VR. It has 64 gigabytes of internal memory, loudspeaker with dual speakers, 86 decibels. It does have Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, GPS, and it features all the above: accelerometer, gyroscope, heart rate monitor, barometer, always on altimeter, a compass, a SpO2 blood oxygen, VO2 max, temperature, body temperature, water temperature, temperature sensing, depth gauge, ultra wideband support. So you're getting the best of the best. And the battery is a lithium ion 564 milliamp battery. And it does a wireless charging, which is, you know, the only way it can do it, because there's no hard code. And that's pretty much it when it comes to the specs. Now, without further ado, let's get to unboxing. All right, so here we go. We have kind of a granite looking color for the Watch Ultra, and it is different from the traditional titanium watch. So, you know, I have that here. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So as you can see, just like with all Ultras, it has this kind of dual opening system, and you just open it as such, and you still have a nice, you know, view of the mountains. So this is definitely for the outdoorsman. And it comes with a booklet, and it shows you all of the features and all of the apps that you can utilize. And it does come with an Apple Watch warranty guide. So that's neat. So here we have the unit, and then we have, this is the Alpine loop, dark green. And then here's our actual black titanium unit. So this is the unit. And as you can see, it is black titanium. Now compared to just the regular titanium, it is black all around. So that is very nice. And it does come with a braided cord for your charger. So as you can see, it is braided. So they're being really nice when it comes to the USB-C support. And then we have our band. And put that to the side, and let's go ahead and strap this on. Now with these Alpine loops, they're a little bit tricky, so you're gonna have to you know, put it together in your mind, or you can look at my videos and you can put it together yourself. But it does come with the lock mechanism here, and you just slide it in, and voila, you have your Watch Ultra 2 in black titanium. Now I must say, upon first impressions, I do love the fact that they did decide to make an alternate color for the Ultra and made it black titanium. It is very nice. It is lightweight, so you're not gonna have to worry about that. And let me just go ahead and take off my Watch Ultra 2 on the silver. So, and upon looking at both of them, you know, it's just really upon what you prefer. I mean, you're still getting, you know, the ultimate watch for Apple, and it looks great. And you're getting the support. I keep walking in. You're getting the full support of, you know, their chipset. And let's go ahead and put it on for the camera. And you really have to pay attention depending on your wrist size. I accidentally got the small size, but however it does fit, it's just a little tight fit. But as you can see, it is on and everything is rolling. Now I really love the fact that the crown is very smooth. I'm coming from an Android watch, and the Android watch doesn't include that, but it's really nice. It has a control button here, so you can go straight to your control panel right away. And then it has the dedicated workout button right here. So you can push that and then go to work. Now, upon further review of the apps, I mean, you got them all here, and they do not disappoint. There are plenty of apps that you can, you know, add here. And the one thing that I used to have a, you know, Apple Watch, I love the fact that whenever you travel and use Google Maps or any kind of map or Apple Maps, it gives you the turn-by-turn direction and vibrates. And then now there's another feature that I haven't really tried before. It is the tap to turn. So if you just snap your fingers like this, you start to get your recent cards here or your widgets here. And that's just a nice, neat feature. But yeah, I can't wait to explore the rest of this watch in the heart rate sensor, the ECG sensor, and just let you know how things go. And then obviously you can get your alerts here, which is great. You can also get your Apple Pay here. Oops, if you double tap, you'll get your recents, which is cool. I think if you hold it, you get your Siri. Let's see, if I hold the control button, you get all of your emergency information, compass, backtrack, medical ID, siren. So that's cool. And you know, this is pretty much it. This is the black titanium Apple Watch Ultra. I love the color. I love the fact that they give us a nice green loop, and you can just put pretty much any band to go along with it that's 45 millimeters or 49 millimeters size. I love the size of this. Let me know what you think. But yeah, this is the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Look forward to showing you more videos upon this. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below if you have the Watch Ultra or any other variation of the watch. And let me know if you have any questions.